Cycling through Australia's Northern Territory felt like one big pub crawl with beer and water. I never thought that water could break me. The wind pushed us back, and every sip of salty borewater twisted my stomach. We were riding on an endless highway, feeling like living in a weird video game. The man flew hit, feeling drowsy, balancing on my stability. Day after day, salty water and headwind. Then we received the healing sounds of a ditch. Strangers gave us quality food. That evening, our sickness faded, and our strength returned.